Right, oh, which way is it? Right, unboxing. So, I've bought a very, very interesting piece of Canon equipment. So I'm just doing the unboxing. So, just trying to find the right. Got my trusty knife. Trying not to cut myself, which is very easy to do. Right, trying to find the lip of where they've there you go, found it. Right, okay, so nearly there, guys, nearly there. You can hear the work the knife has to do. This is some good cardboard. There we go. Right, we're open. But there's a little note. I love it when they put little notes in. Hi, enclosed Canon DCE1 plus AC adapter you bought from me on eBay. Any problems, please get in touch. Many thanks, Dave from Norwich. Thank you, Dave from Norwich. Right, so here we go. So I've got two of these now. So DC coupler. That's the plug that goes into the wall. What's he put on there? Blue. Right, and here, this is the money. This is the money. Right. So let me show you. So this bit here, you see it? Upside down. Canon. Oh, that was the right way. Canon AC adapter. Now, this, let's check this works. This plugs into the wall in there. Okay. Got my extension cable over there. And then this is your, goes into here. Okay. Now, before I put that in there, this is the Canon DC coupler. Let me get my, here it is. Okay, so this is my Canon EOS 1D. This is my battery that I've got on charge. Let's take it out. Let me just check that there's a card in there. There is. So the original Canon EOS 1D. Now, put this in. All the way in. Lock it in. Oh, it's not locking in. Let me try it here. There we go. It's locked in. Right. Let me get the power first. I'm just showing you. Look. No power. Feel like pen and teller. No power. I've switched it on, but no power. Right. Let's turn it back off. Okay. 2 seconds. All these reminders. Let's plug it in. Okay, that is now plugged in. So, here we go. The power is on. So let's see if this works. Ready? It's plugged in. Switch it on. Yes, it works. Right, let's try it. Yep, focuses. Perfect. See, all through this. So I have a 1DS somewhere. It's on the kitchen table. Let me just get my 1DS and check it works on that. Okay, so let me just turn that off. So that works perfect. Oh yeah. Right, so here is the 1DS. Right, I should show you. 1DS Classic. Okay, so let's switch it on. Battery, it's got a normal battery in, but it's got no CF card. So let's take the CF card out of my 1D and put it into my 1DS. If it opens, oh, it opens now. It wasn't opening the other day when I was trying to do it. Right, now, let's take the battery out. Okay, battery's out. Right, let's get the DC coupler still attached. Ooh, unplug it. Doesn't want to come out. Doesn't want to come out. Ah, there we go. You actually, it's the first time I've actually used that button to get them out. Okay, so 1DS in, push it in a little bit and turn it. There we go. Clicks, buttons come out. Ready? Make sure it's switched off, yes. Because this is the higher megapixel camera. So, if you were to use any in a studio, which I don't have, because I do mainly wildlife photography. However, ready? Switching it on now. Yes, it works. Right, ready? It doesn't, it's halfway in between. Autofocus is so slow on this. Ready? There you go. It works. So, amazing. The DC coupler works. It's, what, 20 years old, whatever. Right, before I forget, I'm going to go and get the goose grease to put on here, camera oil. So, let's delete all these images because we don't need them. Delete. Oh, you gotta, so to delete the image, don't need it, you press select, move that, no, there you go, and then off. There you go. So I'll show you. You press display, delete, select. Oh no, that moves the image. You press display, you press delete. I think you hold down delete and then you release. Delete, hold down delete, okay, release. Delete, hold down, okay. There you go. Oh, and they're the ones from before. Delete, hold down, release. Delete, hold down. It's a bit of a long-winded process, but it, like with my Hasselblad the other day, when I deleted all the photographs I did from one shoot by accident, this makes it more difficult to delete an image. So, excellent, it works. The DC coupler with the AC adapter. Now, I can set up my tripod and I can shoot all my eBay images with my Canon camera and it'll look loads better. Excellent. Listen, like and subscribe, guys. Getting some life out of all these Canons, Nikon, Sony, before I do anything big. Yeah? Listen, like and subscribe, guys. Thank you. Bye.